The chickens know I'm here. They're coming to the gate every time I come up with food now. They're getting used to me. Hey, you're getting used to me feeding you scraps. Ah, go away, Beauty. Beauty, leave them alone. They're getting used to me. Hello. Hello. There you go. There you go. Beauty, leave them alone. Beauty. We used to have bantams years and years ago when we had a house at Teokula. I miss our bantams. I don't know what variety these are, but they're like you can breed with them and sell them. And that's what Kyle wants to do. He wants to breed them and sell them. But it's super cute that they're coming up to the fence now, up to the gate when I'm walking up. Beauty. Where's Coco? Oh, you were over near the water before, Coco. Off you go. Come on. Leave them alone. Coco just wants the food that I've given to the chickens. Beauty wants the chickens.